रुको भिडियो भएन के ल ल अब बनाऊ बिगारेर
Do this like this.
चाहिँ pretty face.
Is it ready?
Yeah. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me Suviksha, and if you guys are wondering why I'm making my intro video like this at night, because I'm going to my auntie house. After so long time I'm going to my auntie house, and tomorrow is Easter, so I'm so excited to meet my auntie daughters. Yeah, and I'm holding my all of bag. I'm so excited to meet them, by the way. Let's go. See you. It's been a long time I haven't met them. I think it's like 8-9 months. Hello. How are you? Maliabeats-you. Say hi. Hello. Say hi to my vlog. Sancha ho. बिर्स्यो है तिमीहरूले मलाई साना बिर्स्यो छैन
iPhone 17.
Yes, you're so with this vlogger. Guys, हामी खाना लाग्यो. Hello. मिठो छ?
Few moments later.
Asu, are you having fun? Oh my. Here. Look. In your bag.
Wow, satisfying fun.
Hey.
She got
Sana, give me your introduction, okay? Give me your introduction, okay? Say something to my vlog.
Oh, it's fine. Wow.
Say what's your name? Where do you study?
What's your name?
No, I'm asking you.
Oh, my name is, you should know.
तिमीलाई नेपाली आउँछ?
अलिकति आउँछ.
कति?
आज हामी पार्क गयौँ. Oh yes. खायौँ, बारी सफा गऱ्यौँ.
बारी सफा गर्यो?
Yes.
वाह, के खायौ?
हामी माम खाएको.
ओहो.
अघि नै मटनसँग. नङ नटोक्ने चलिन्छ है. है न नङ खाने ग्याङहरू नङ खाँदै बस्नु खाइसिनाहरू है यहाँ लुकेर अङ्कल आन्टीलाई नभनिकन सिक्रेट स्न्याक्स मैले लिएर आउँ त्योहरू मैले तल अङ्कल आन्टीको अर्डर नदिएको कि तर मैले त्यस्तो केही पनि ल्याएन बच्चाहरूको लागि लिएर She's gonna eat breakfast and I'm gonna say which one is my favorite breakfast.
आज इस्टरको बिदा थियो युनि बिदा थियो.
Pick. If you like it.
I think I do like it.
I couldn't breakfast. She's giving such a cute smile. Oh, look, smile killer. She took a big bite. Wow. Yummy. So mesmerizing. So delicious.
Baba.
Yeah. Look at her.
Where are we going, Sana, now?
Tuition.
Yes, we are now going to
big Asma bee. Do this. Yeah. Hello. What's our ponytail?
It was kind of easy.
What did you learn, Asu, today?
English.
English. Let's go from here. Asu, we are making vlog.
Hello.
Whenever we are happy, we are doing this.
Yeah.
Okay. This is our happy sign language. Okay. Let's do our happy sign.
Our happy sign.
Yes, this is our happy sign. Such a nice weather today.
Such a nice weather. Happy sign.
Happy sign, yeah. Guys, we are doing food check. Okay, first go with her.
I need to Santona.
This is Sana food check.
Check.
So your legs and shoes.
My shoes.
This is awesome. This is me. Random food check. We don't know the brand.
Yeah.
Where is your jacket from?
This is from I think H&M. I think it's H&M.
Mine was. This is from Primark. This is from Utsavi Closet.
So it is Adidas, maybe. This is from Papaya. And my shoes are from Puma.
Let's do our sign.
Happy
Happy
sign. Happy sign. And my
Wait. 3,
shoes.
2, 1, go.
So you can't.
I'm vlog बनाउँदै गएको. Say hi, aunty. Happy sign सिकाइदियो हाम्रो happy sign. Sana, happy sign.
This is our
Happy
happy
sign. खै.
A few moments later.
Having Coke. Vlog, guys. Look at our mom.
एक दिनमा त्यत्रो चकलेट छ भने एक दिन
I did yesterday, today.
यो राखिदिएछन् के.
Guys, I'm making her wear gazelle, and then her eye will be like. Her eyes keep
Yeah.
zooming. Then guys, she looks.
मैं तो देख आँसु गाइदियो त एकचोटि फेरि हात पनि मलाई नि आउनु है मैं तो देख शीशा सर में भाग गई. Guys, we change our outfit.
We check. This is from DNKY. This is from DNKY. This is I don't know. Adidas. Jordan.
Okay.
And this is my outfit, and I don't know where's this from.
Okay.
Because someone gave me this in Christmas.
Okay.
This is probably from H&M.
No,
This is
Ashita.
also probably from H&M, and this is probably from Papaya, and my shoes are from Puma.
I think this is from H&M.
Yep.
And this jeans is from Chino from Nepal. And these shoes, I don't know. My friend gifted me.
And these
In my
are
birthday.
from Tesco.
Let me show you.
My shoes is from Tesco.
It's nice shoes, by the way.
This is from Tesco.
Now we are going to park. Danson Park.
Yeah.
Yay!
Thinking Danson Park with us.
Okay. Yo, boss. Savi. Our scooter getting stuck in bus in the middle of what? In the sea.
The door.
Yeah, the door, and it didn't come out.
Open to the next door.
We take it out her scooter, and now we are here, and our sisters are in park already, and we are so far away from them. Now we are taking bus again, and we are going there, right?
Yeah.
How did you get stuck?
I don't know. I was moving it until it got stuck.
लिटरली हामी बसमा बसिरहेको मान्छे निस्किन लागेको मान्छे उसको स्कुटर निस्किने अनि मेरो स्कुटर यहीँ अड्क्यो बसमा भने त्यसपछि ट्राई गरेर आउँदै आएन उनीहरू दुईटा ढोका बाहिर हामी ढोकाभित्र त्यसपछि हामी त्यहीँभित्र अड्केको भएन That was crazy experience for us.
So guys, we are at Danson Park. We are waiting for them to come back. Is it? Yeah. Yeah? Yes. Now they are at Trinity Place. Like it was not coming out at all, and then we just got off and then they went. So guys, yeah, I just called them and then they just have one stop. Let's see. Is there any 96 coming? So yeah guys, after 10,000 years later they came.
One eternity later.
Guys, we finally found them. They are there waiting for us.
So they're finally back! Finally! They're finally back! He's a scooter.
We finally got them back. Let's make a happy face now. छोडिदिउँ जाम भनेको रुनै लाएर भनेर त्यो अङ्कलले ट्राई गरे हुँदै भएन मैले ट्राई गरेँ हुँदैन कि जबरजस्ती अनि म त कस्तो रिस उठेँ कति सालबाट आएको रहेछ भइसक्यो निस्किनु जसले नि छोडेर त्यहाँको सबै अङ्कलहरू ट्राई गरेको क्या छोडेर भनेर म चाहिँ जसरी निकालेर छोड्छ भने यसो गरेको त निस्कियो ल्याभेन्डर. So guys, this is the flower garden.
Yeah.
Which Savi wants. Oh my god. This is. Where do you want to start with? This one? Let's go this one.
Yeah, because it's so less.
Oh, be careful. बिस्तारै गर Harley was gonna jump in.
So guys, look, it's our turn.
ल भयो ल सारेको टर्न डिजी भइसक्यो
भएन क्या
ल दिदी Sanada.
More faster.
Guys.
Look at Didi. We came off. Jump.
Oh. भारी भएर त्यही चाके अड्ने We are going to race. है हामी त्यही अब उ त्यो टपमा को पुग्छ भनेर रेस गर्छौँ कसले जित्छ हेरौँ
3, 2, 1, start! She's in the... She won! Again, I'm the winner. Should I stop? We are 8. What's up?
यिनीहरूले त है अघि हामीलाई हल्लाएको थियो यिनीहरूले बदला लिदियो हल्लाएर फेरि एकाटीको लागि Let's go! Guys, now we are going to the next place, to the riverside. Riverside! And she is doing her little bit of makeup. Oh, है ना यहाँ?
Guys, we're going to the river.
Our brother is coming
Yes.
from his house
Because he lives near Danson.
because he lives near here.
He always flexes.
Yeah. Flex what?
Like he flexes every time when we
Flex
see
what?
him. His hair. His hair. His
Like how?
muscles.
Okay, we're gonna see that,
And
okay?
he does not have any jawlines anymore. Yeah.
Now it's getting so cold. भित्र जानु मलाई त केही लाग्दैन ओके चटक पारेर आइहाल्यो Guys, run! Let's go!
Money bottles.
Did you get hurt? Such a beautiful river. हाम्रो भाइ यहाँ finally
Coming after an hour.
खै
Can I see? Can I see?
He looks like a gunda. Yes. UK chor. He looks like a thief. She's laughing a fake laugh. Yeah, ayo. Ayo. ल आयो ल त्यहाँ गएर हामी पाला अब
3 vloggers.
4 vloggers. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, it's still going.
Yeah. Say your dialogue.
Stop flexing. You don't have no jawline. Yeah, stop flexing.
She was. See?
Who is this? Who is this?
Have you gone swimming like a bamboo stick?
Yes, possible.
She was just before she was telling her now he's gonna come and flex his body and do like this.
Yeah, look at everybody. Like this one.
कस्तो राम्रो देखेको भाइ त्यो ब्याकग्राउन्ड हामी सम्मेमको बिल्ला हान्न आइसक्यो 5 मिनटसम्म हिरोको इन्ट्री गरेर 5 मिनट हाम्रो बिल्ला खाएर गयो जान लागेको गाइस कस्तो नेपाल कस्तो घर इट्स सो बाङ्गो उयो हामी यहाँ नि यहीँबाट हो जाने हामी कताबाट हो जाने ओ कस्तो राम्रो देखेको भाइ भ्यूहरू हेर है 3, 2, 1 go Guys, I'm happy sign 3, 2, 1 go So man Where are we going now? He's going to his house, we are going to our house.
Oh my god, okay, right, watch.
के यतै यिनीहरू कुकुर बाँदरहरू ए अघि नै के भएको भन न हाम्रो स्कुटर कि यस्तो भित्र छिरेको के कमेडी भएर अझै छोडिदियो कि छोड्दै साइकल छोड्यो उसले के अस्ट्रेलिया हो छिराएको त्यो टाइम तिमी गरेर हाम्रो ह्याप्पी साइन do it अर्को ह्याप्पी साइन ल बसले हाम्रो ट्राभल निकाल्दैन अहिले राम्रो घर अरे तर नेपालको कस्तो हो कि हेर त यति ठुल्ठुलो नेपालको घर मात्रै हुन्छ हामी यहाँ बसको वेट गर्दै अब हामीले यस्तो थके लगाइसक्यो गाई हाम्रो अब यस्तो थके लगाइसक्यो है अब हामी घर जानु लाग्यो घर होइन हामी क्याफे जानु लाग्यो चटपट खानामा टाउकोदेखि मेरो ऐनाले त्यो घुमाएर लास्टै टाउको चक्कर लाउला जस्तो भयो किनभने त्यहाँ बसिरहेको
Yeah, boy.
खुर्सानी हाल्यो यिनीहरूले खुर्सानी हाल्यो कस्तो लाग्यो हजुरलाई
So good.
भेरी भेरी गुड नेपालको याद आयो गिलो चटपट खाएर तिमीहरूलाई नेपालको याद आयो गिलो चटपट खाएर
एकदमै याद
तिमीलाई आयो नेपालको याद
नेपालको याद आयो
तिमीलाई नेपालको याद आयो गिलो चटपट खाएर
Yes.
Okay, then that's good. Okay, guys,
You have not
I'm gonna put my phone over here because it's a very scary place to hold you like that. Hey, our Kung Fu Panda. Do our Kung Fu Panda? Laga raha tha?
No, यसरी के
Kung Fu Panda asto. Kung Fu Panda right on line. We are eating rice. Mutton, Mom. Let's go. Thank you.
This is my style. Turn on one bite. Take a bite. Good. Take a bite, bro. Kung Fu Panda. This is me. Didi. Being part of this. Yum. Yeah, go on. So mesmerizing bite.
ल फेरि गर न
When like it. You just do.
A few moments later.
Oh my god!
Guys, this was our face. Now we all four of us. We are going to do
Skincare.
night care.
So here's for kids this, and then
This is for you
for
guys.
us.
This is for us. Nothing is special in.
Everybody knows.
Yeah.
I'm cute, right? Some hair.
Done.
Let's rub it.
Guys, thank you for watching our crazy things.
blend गरेर यहाँ. I blended it all up.
Don't do it.
Stop it.
Okay, do it in the proper
Stop
way.
it.
Polite.
Come back.
Guys for watching. Bye. Okay, last time our happy sign. Thank you.
Bye. Subscribe. Like and subscribe, sir. Bye.